Hey, what's up everybody? It's David from Teach Me Money Methods. I'm just out here in sunny New Mexico getting some Sunday exercise. It's really nice outside. Hey, just wanted to tell you everybody thank you for purchasing the anyone that picked up the coloring book packs. I wanted to say thank you. It helps support the channel, and I will be coming out with a diamond pack that won't include any of the other packs. It'll be a completely separated pack, and it'll have another bunch of high quality professional coloring book background designs, and might throw in some more done for you packs in there as well. But what I want to talk about today in this video is that I'm going to be doing a Redbubble case study. So I'm in the process of setting up my account. I've never sold on Redbubble before. I've done some print on demand before, never sold on Redbubble. And mostly any print on demand that I do is Amazon KDP. But I'm going to go ahead and do a case study for the channel. Probably 30, 60, and 90 days status reports of taking an account from brand new, no designs, brand new account, and then sharing with you guys the journey of what happens, what types of designs I'm putting up, what types of designs are selling for me, and how many designs I'm able to get up in the first month, 2 and 3 months, and to see if I'm able to make any profits from the Redbubble platform. So hope you guys enjoy this case study, and until next video, take care. We'll see you next time.